Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag on Roblox mobile application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The reason behind your Roblox lagging issue is because of unstable internet speed. So make sure that you are connected to a stable internet, and you can also try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile network. The next thing to do is to close off any application running in the background of your iPhone. Too many applications running on your background might be the main cause why your Roblox application is so laggy. The next thing to do is to make sure that you have updated to your latest software for your mobile device. Simply go tap Open Settings, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Tap on the Software Update button at the top of the screen and check for available update for your software. If there is any, tap on Download and Install, and once you have the latest software installed for your mobile device, then you might be able to solve your issue. If updating to the latest software does not help you, the next thing to do is to check for available update for your Roblox app. Go and tap Open your App Store or your Play Store, and in the search bar, search for Roblox. After you perform your search, if there is an update button popping up right next to the app, then it means you'll need to update to the latest version. Simply tap on the update button, and once you download the latest version of the application, you might be able to fix your lagging issue. If that still doesn't help, try restarting your mobile device. Press and hold the power button to restart your device like you normally do, and once you are done with the restart, simply open up your Roblox application to see if that fixes the issue. That was how you can easily fix lagging issue on your Roblox mobile application. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.